If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Cash App, follow these simple steps to ensure your funds are returned to you. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to Activity. Tap on the Activity tab, usually represented by a clock icon at the bottom of the screen. This section shows all your recent transactions, including pending ones. Step 3. Find the pending transaction. Scroll through your activity list to locate the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Pending transactions are typically marked clearly. Step 4. Select the transaction. Tap on the pending transaction to view more details. This will open a new screen with information about the transaction, including the option to cancel it. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. If you follow these steps, you should be able to cancel any pending transactions on Cash App efficiently. Always double-check your transaction history to ensure everything is in order.